friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shamin Roy. So I hope you people are doing great in your life. So today I'm here to share how you can improve yourself, how you can learn English. So let's start. So guys, if you want to be fluent in English, if you want to speak in this language, first of all, you have to develop a strong mindset. You have to develop a right belief system. Then only you can go for it, because it's it's a long time process. It's a going to take maybe 2-3 years. So guys, if you don't have the right mindset, how can you able to learn this language? Because it's a process. You have to you know you have to give the time for practice. Because if you don't practice, if you know go with that mindset, like a negative, how can you speak? If you have a negative mindset, you are going to be fail, you are going to give up. So as my opinion, I will suggest to you that you need to have a you know right mindset. Then only you can learn this language. Yeah guys, I'm not speaking perfect, but I am a beginner. I am learning English. So that's why I am sharing my thought with you, with all of you. And that's why I'm doing you know record my videos. Because if I practice every single day in this way, I can be fluent, I can be perfect English. So when I had started my journey, I think it was 3 years ago. But today I will say I'm not a perfect speaker, I'm not a fluent speaker. But yeah, I can speak little bit, but I can you know as I want, as I. So guys, if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new more videos.